In this video, I will show how to create Google Chrome shortcut. So easy and simple way. Click on Start. Search here Chrome. Right click on Google Chrome. Click on Open File Location. Here you will see Google Chrome. Right click on it. Properties. Right click on it. Click on Show More Options. Right click on it. Click on Show More Options. Here guys, click on Create Shortcut. Just you have to click on Create Shortcut. You will see this notice. You can't create a shortcut here. Do you want the shortcut to be placed on the desktop? Click on Yes. Now close, and as we can see, we have this Google Chrome shortcut. Thanks for watching.